Hello everybody, hope you all are doing well. Today we are on another mold job. I don't know if you guys can hear me well with this mask on, but just safety precautions. But we're on another mold job. It's not a structural mold damage by any means, it's just furniture. Got damaged from the moving company. But I'm going to give you guys a little tour around. It's nothing too crazy, but we're just going to show you basically the precautions and everything that we do for a mold job. So, not no dirty jobs episode by any means, but I think it's pretty cool. So right there, you can see that. We got the air scrubber on the other side, connected to the duct that brings it outside here to the window and just blows it outside so we can get clean, fresh air in here. It's kind of hard to work this camera, but as you see here, no, not there. Okay. We have the room contained. We haven't really got the contents out of this room yet, so we're working on the other parts of the house. But while this room cleans, the air gets clean and everything, we're working on the other stuff and moving it to the units. So let's go through to the other side. We got the girls who are working. Say hello, girls. Hey. Yep. Content's being cleaned and put up. I'm trying this new selfie stick mode, and it's really hard to see everything or to control it, yeah. Got a dehumidifier right there. So not too bad by any means. But we're just taking everything out, make sure that all the moisture is taken care of. Don't want any more mold regrowth by any means. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not too exciting of an episode, but you know, just showing you what we do, a little bit of how we contain things. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe. If you're on Facebook, leave a like, share it. I don't know what you're using, but help us to get out there and to let people know that we exist so that we can help them in their times of need. All right. Have a great day, everybody.